Imagine yourself in this 2015 Ram 1500 Tradesman Express. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 5.7-liter V8 engine, air conditioning, automatic transmission, bed length, 76.3, clock, in radio display, cruise control, dusk sensing headlights and engine hour meter. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.